Canva recently introduced Magic Studio, a suite of AI tools to take content creation to the next level. I will show you how to use these Magic AI tools. Let's look at Magic Grab first. It can analyze the image and detach the major object from image for you to edit separately. In this example, we move the image to the right, so that we can add some text on the left to make it a YouTube thumbnail. Now let's look at Magic Expand. It will fill the whole page based on the image you selected. Let's use Magic Edit to add a small boat. First you brush over area to edit, and then describe your edit. Now let's use Magic Eraser to delete unwanted objects on the lake. Grab Text is another useful tool. It can detach text from image, and then you can change style of the text as you like, or just delete the text. Let's move on to Magic Morph. Clicking app's icon on the left, and then search for Magic Morph, clicking it to add that app. Pick the element and then describe how you want it to look. We will just try the example styles. Now let's move on to Magic Media. Clicking app's icon on the left, and then search for Magic Media. Clicking it to add that app. You can do text to image, text to video, and also Magic Design for video. Let's check out what will be generated with this prompt. I asked ChatGPT to generate prompt for me. You can pick images or videos and write a short description. A stunning video will create it for you. Lastly, let's look at Magic Switch. In the search box, you can describe what you want, and Canva AI will generate the design for you. You can translate to other languages and transform to other text formats such as blog post. Or resize to match other social media platform. That's all for today. You can check out more Canva tutorials next. See you next time.